Busbar installation must be carried out by professionals. Wear safety helmets, insulating gloves, anti-smashing shoes, and other safety equipment. Before horizontal installation, prepare the necessary parts and tools. First, the construction worker uses a measuring instrument to measure the height. Cut the C-shaped steel bracket according to the design height. Determine the busbar route and installation position of the C-shaped steel bracket according to the design drawings. Drill holes, drive expansion bolts and fix them in place. Install the crossarm and secure it with fasteners. Use a level to ensure that the crossbars are all on the same plane. The method of outdoor floor installation is the same as this. After installation, seal the C-shaped steel cut with a plug. Place the busbar in the center position of the crossbar. Lock and fix with busbar clamps. Then assemble the connector, align it with the phase sequence busbar, and push it to the limit position. At this time, the distance between the busbar shells is 260 mm. Tighten the bolt to a breaking torque of 71 N. Finally, measure the insulation resistance value too. Ensure it is greater than 200 meters omega. The pouring steps at the connection are as follows. Apply release agent evenly to the inner surface of the mold by pouring it with a brush. Fix the casting mold at the connection point, keep it centered, and tighten the screw. Seal the connection with structural adhesive to prevent the pouring fluid from flowing out. Check the table in advance to calculate the total weight. In kilograms of the connections that need to be poured, prepare epoxy resin and curing agent of corresponding weight in a ratio of 6:1 and place them in an empty bucket. Mix thoroughly with a mixer for 2 to 3 minutes, and the application must be completed within 15 minutes. After stirring to avoid solidification, slowly introduce the mixed pouring solution into the connecting mold until it fills the upper edge of the mold. It is recommended to place waistcloth at the bottom during pouring. To avoid overflowing pouring liquid and contaminating the ground, it is recommended to place waistcloth at the bottom during pouring. To avoid overflowing pouring liquid and contaminating the ground, please note that the epoxy resin and curing agent used in Kaifang must be used off within 24 hours to prevent moisture or dust from entering and affecting the pouring effect. The required components for initial installation are as follows. Place the starting end of the busbar into the starting box. The starting movable plate passes through the busbar and is fixed on the starting box. Fix the starting clamp onto the busbar. The starting and sealing plate is fixed on the starting and clamp. Finally, glue and seal the seams.